We are in the middle of a tech race that is no different than the Industrial Revolution was 100 plus years ago. It is happening right now. We are living and breathing it every single day. National security is not for the government alone. It requires all of us to do it together.
Mission is important, vision is important, strategy is important, but at the end of the day, it's all about culture.
The race for space represents the greatest national security imperative that we have in the United States. And guess what? The space economy runs deep in the United States.
It really isn't about, me telling people what to do and how to get there. It's actually just showing them the surprise and delight of every single one of our customers of what our products can accomplish and what they can do.
Take risks, because the future does not belong to the cautious. It belongs to the builders. This is not a conference where we are waiting to see if something happens. This is a conference where we will see things happen.